Hi everyone, I wanted to make a little video about how I'm cover cropping the area that will be planted in a forest garden. So this area, all in here, has been plowed up for an entire season. This is last season. Right now it's about to be spring again. And in the fall, after I'd plowed it up for that first growing season, I planted a cover crop in here. And the cover crop, I think there were about 12 different things in it. I don't remember all of them. I got the list from NRCS guy, National Resource Conservation. At least here in Texas, I think every county has one. They're really helpful. But the idea behind the cover crop is to create a really diverse polyculture that will kind of build up the soil. And so what we've got in there are quite a few nitrogen fixers. For example, I'm pretty sure this is a pea. There's quite a few clovers. A lot of this smaller ground cover are clovers. We've also got things just to aerate the soil and build organic matter. A lot of these larger plants are wheat and oats. There's turnips in here to help break up the soil and get down into the lower levels and create channels for water and nutrients to be able to move around. There's just all sorts of little things in here. Like I said, it's about 12 or 13 different things. So I planted this in the fall. It didn't come up incredibly well. Some areas came up better than others. You can see that. That's largely because we didn't have a whole lot of rain this winter. Conditions just weren't great. But it's still going to fix a lot of nitrogen and still going to keep the soil healthy and build it up in preparation for the food forest. What I'll do now is probably about mid-spring, whenever there's going to be some weeds starting to come up, I'll come back through and I'll plow it up again just to kill the weeds off before they seed. And then I'll keep it plowed through this next growing season in preparation for the planting of the perennial food forest system in the fall. The reason I'm plowing it and doing all this preparation is because this area before was covered in coastal Bermuda grass, which is something they planted here many decades ago. It's good for cattle grazing, but it is a high maintenance plant. It requires a lot of fertilizer and herbicides to keep it going, and it will compete with the trees. So I'm really trying to just get rid of it, and the best way to do that, if I'm going to be organic about it, is to just keep plowing it up until it eventually dies. So anyways, I wanted to show you the cover crop system, and I think it's worth the small investment just to build that soil up. So thanks for watching.